Welcome back to our channel Safus Creation. If you are new here, consider subscribing to our channel and supporting us by hitting that like button. Today we are going to make Arabic Harees. We'll need ghee, whole wheat, soak it in water for 3 to 4 hours. Chicken, onion, spices, salt. Transfer the whole wheat into the pressure cooker. Add the chicken. Add the onions. Add the spices. Add the salt. Start mixing them. Cook it for 15 to 20 minutes. After cooking, pick out the bones. Add some ghee. Beat it with a beater. Add more ghee if your harees is thick. And then start beating it again. Now let's serve it. Garnish it with ghee on top. Voila, it's ready. If you want more recipes like this, subscribe to our channel and comment.